abanyakondane n'abanyatuko bagokora emeremo ase constituency ya Nyaribari Chache goikirana ase ekegambero eriokoboria abanyarako bakonyora oboene bogwakanwa chibesa chiabo ichi chitaneti chi milioni 15 bono nigo omonyakero gobwe board eyo ya NGCDF Jonolago anyareko bagagwesokia na goteba nigo bono abanyakonda bo babwateri bagaritanga nirio goikirana ase board eyo eriokurwa ebirero byabo gotatiga goikirana ase ekegambero erio banyarekoba anene bagotegererwa ebirero byabo lago nigatebire buna nigo ense ya Kenya netakobe kwena na lichiko lya bene erio kwenekia buna abanyakonda obo banyarekoba kwenyorera ekene kyabo.
Where a project is approved by the board and funds submitted by the board to this committee, contractors should be paid in time. If it's a question of variation because of cost and delay, then there's a way of handling that. But I'll tell you something also. The NGCDF Act, clause 67 says very clearly, where there is a dispute on how a project is being undertaken, whether it's supplies or construction or a consultancy, where there is a dispute, it does not go to court. We have got a dispute resolution mechanism within the board. So that complaint is raised to the board, and then the board, we have got within my board, there's a committee that deals with complaints. So it should be handled before it goes to court. So if anybody or any lawyer or any contractor rushes to court without going through that process, then that is ignorance and it may be costly for them. The other challenge that we are facing as a board is the series of court cases that we have had challenging the legality of CDF as an institution. I'm confident that the legality of CDF as an institution is going to be anchored in law now. Again, the talks that go on are going on at Bomas, the National Dialogue Committee talks. One of the agenda that they've been dealing with is how to change the constitution so that CDF is anchored under the constitution. Because if that happens, then we would have this challenge.